Hey guys, we're cooking another recipe that I've been wanting to try. Ooh, sorry. It is cinnamon rolls and apple pie filling. Can't get much easier than that. Hmm? Ooh, I don't think any of us have had these. You've had them? Alright. My granddaughter's home already. She's only been in school for, I don't know.
There are two loads of buses. There are two bus loads.
Okay, I can't talk right now, honey. So, she's homesick already. So what you have to do is cut up these cinnamon buds. If that dog doesn't stop barking, he's going to be out. This dog barks if he hears the wind blow. So, can you see what I'm doing? Alright, so I'm just going to cut up these cinnamon buns. I'm up early today, guys. Thanks to my granddaughter.
Sorry.
She came home from school, or she didn't even go on the bus, which is good because it would have been a lot harder to pick her up from school. All right, so I'm just going to cut these in fours. I don't know if I'm doing it right because I never did this before. Have you ever made these? Has anyone ever made these? That looks a little big. That got a little bit big. I can't see your comments, unfortunately, because I'm on the phone. So, it says you're supposed to just cut these up. And you need 2 cans. I have to say I'm not cutting them up very evenly, which is probably not something you should do. And I sprayed the pan, I always do. So if anyone's on Weight Watchers, you could always see how many points these are. It's just, you just have to look up cinnamon rolls and apple pie filling. I meant to do that before I went live, but I didn't have a chance, so I didn't do it. But it sounded good, so we're gonna try it. I swear this butter spray smells horrible. Okay, let me wash my hands before I open the other can. Now, when these are done, you're supposed to pour the frosting over it. I washed my hands before we started the first can. Ooh.
Do they always pop?
Yep.
I thought you were supposed to twist them.
Oh, good luck twisting them. Too hard to twist.
I twisted them in the oven.
I can't.
Like,
So I bought the buttercream icing. They also have one that says, oh, what does it say? Cream cheese, I guess. But I got the buttercream. Probably could use either one. I don't know. These sure aren't breaking apart very easily. So I have my oven on 350, and I always spray my pans even if it doesn't say to. Hey, Tracy. So we'll see, but this sounded really good, so I wanted to try it. Sorry guys, if you're talking, I can't see your comments because I should have brought my iPad in here and I didn't. I can't remember where I saw this recipe. Somewhere. Has anyone ever tried these? So if you are not already following me, please do so. Trying really hard to get to 9,000, and I'm sorry Facebook if I'm not supposed to say that word. 8,500.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So we're just trying to fill in all the holes. And I'm going to give away free 30 days in my private group at the end of this live. Because I'm live. But you must have blessed the page. And you have to be present. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to put these in a bowl, but I'm not going to dirty a bowl if I don't have to. All right, let me wash again. Put this in the sink.